Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display section. Now click on the gray switcher next to Adaptive Brightness and this way enable it. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same No Green switcher next to it. You can also click on Adaptive Brightness on the left and then click on this switcher next to Use Adaptive Brightness to manage it the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!